Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to grind coffee beans at home. So I recently purchased this coffee grinder on Amazon. It was about $19. It comes with the coffee grinder and it also comes with a secondary glass. The bottom part of this coffee grinder is removable, so you could have 2 batches of coffee grounds ready to go. I'll leave a link to it in the description below, but that's what we're going to be using, and we're going to be grinding up some Starbucks espresso. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is take off the top to the coffee grinder here, and this is where we're going to be putting the coffee beans. So now we're going to dump some of the coffee beans into the grinder here. As you can see, the coffee beans are in the coffee grinder, and I didn't want to fill up too much just because I knew that the top is going to have to go on this. So we're going to place the top back on here. And whenever you purchase a coffee grinder, it comes with this little crank. So just going to have the crank on top of the coffee grinder, and we're going to start grinding away. So I'm going to let you guys listen to some coffee grinding ASMR. All right, guys, there you have it. So just filling it barely to the top got me this amount in coffee grounds. So you just want to keep that in mind. And it is a fairly time-consuming process, so you might want to turn on the TV or just hang out with friends as you're doing this. But in the end, it is very rewarding coffee, and I look forward to making this in my Keurig. So again, I'll leave a link to this coffee grinder in the description below. It cost me about $19 and very handy. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to hit that like button, and I hope you guys enjoy your coffee.